Hi, I'm Brett. I'm a filmmaker from Sheffield. I just released a short film that I shot back in January called The Good Book that I made with a theatre company called Slung Low. That's done really well. It's been exciting to put it out on the 1st of May, which was my birthday. It got reviewed by The Guardian and got 4 stars, which was super exciting. And it's been really well received by everyone that's seen it so far. So now I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to do next. I'm trying to write my first feature film, which I've been trying to do for about 10 years, and finish off a few short form projects that I've been working on, including one that's about hitchhiking and then a few other mini docs, because I can never really decide whether I want to concentrate on these short form documentaries or move further into narrative. I'm never sure, so I like to keep my options open. I normally work from my studio in the city centre, so I thought it'd be really good for this episode of In the Studio to take you there and show you around and how I use it and stuff. But obviously we're in the middle of a global pandemic. So what I'm gonna do instead is take you through my portable studio, otherwise known as my backpack, and the sort of stuff that I keep in there so that I can always make my types of films no matter where I am or what I'm doing. So I try and make sure that I've got all the tools and all the bits and bobs that I might need to make my stuff. It always starts with my laptop. I edit in Final Cut Pro and my desktop's a mess. My notebooks go everywhere with me and I'm always referring back to them to find ideas. It's also a good place to keep stickers and business cards. I'm never without a LaCie rugged hard drive. This one's 2 terabytes, and I f***ing love this little flash drive keyring. I think the Sony RX100 is the best point and shoot camera around. I made a whole documentary on this one. Don't forget a charger and a light and maybe a stand. Extra memory cards are a must too. A deck of playing cards for a long journey might save the day. I use these headphones to listen to sad music on Spotify and for work. I use a Zoom HM1 as my backup field recorder. Super durable little machine. And this is my favourite book by David Eagleman. Radiolab commissioned a short film about it years ago and it's still my favourite short. I recommend it. It's called Moments. A headache is only ever a matter of time. Emergency coffee will not fix it. I love doing crafts in my work, so this blade is a favourite. And my crap little multi-tool. Don't forget your phone charger. This one has multiple attachments and pandas. I get to do a lot of talks and workshops, so this little clicker is ace for getting through presentations and pointing at stuff. And I think masking tape is about the coolest thing in the world. I stick it on everything. I write on all my stuff with a Tipp-Ex pen, because most camera gear is black. And a Sharpie does all the rest of the writing that I might need to do. You don't want to find yourself without something to eat with, and access to fire. Then I have my pile of cables and adapters because Apple just want us to suffer. This little card reader's great for when you're out on the road, and the HDMI attachments and stuff like that, really useful. And that's it. This is what's in my portable studio. So anyway, that was my portable studio, my backpack. I hope it was useful learning about the sorts of stuff that I always have with me, the tools that I use to make my stuff. But if not, sorry.